The Fender FA25 is Fender's approachable dreadnought. Think classic Fender looks and a super comfortable C-neck profile designed for new players. Fender lists the FA25 at a regular price of $125.99 on their site. If it's in stock, you'll see that exact MSRP. And what you get at that price is a laminate dreadnought body, walnut fingerboard and bridge, sealed gear tuning machines, and a neck that beginners usually thank you for. For a vlogger, shout out the neck shape and the overall ease of playing. This is the guitar you hand to someone in a tutorial and don't cringe. From customer chatter, the FA25 isn't trying to be a concert guitar. It's a lightweight, practical player that's ideal for campfires, learning chords, and travel. Reviews tend to praise the playability and affordability, while critics point to laminate construction limiting tonal complexity compared to solid top models. Pros: extremely wallet-friendly, consistent neck feel, and Fender branding lessons bundles that sweeten the deal. Cons: lacks the richness of a solid top, and experienced players will notice the difference in resonance. For your viewers who want a trustworthy first guitar that won't scare them off, I'd say the FA25 is a great pick, and yeah, we share by links in description box.